Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed a wonderful long Memorial Day weekend. This is going to be our last formal language workshop book that we'll be studying this week. So the name of the book is called Rain School, and it's written and illustrated by James Rumford. That means he wrote the words to the book and he also drew the pictures. If you notice, I have a map next to the book. The story takes place in a place called Chad. And if you can see here where the arrow is, that's where Chad is. Chad is on the continent of Africa. And we studied the continents this school year. We know that Africa is a very warm climate because it's in the southern hemisphere there. And so I just wanted you to have an idea of where this story took place and that it was pretty far from us. Today when I'm reading Rain School, I want you to be thinking about how the characters in the book responded to challenge. So you're going to notice that the characters in the book come upon challenge, and I want you to pay attention to what do they do with those challenges? How do they respond? Rain School by James Rumford. In the country of Chad, it is the first day of school. The dry dirt road is filling up with children. Big brothers and big sisters are leading the way. Will they give us a notebook? Thomas asks. Will they give us a pencil? Will I learn to read like you? Stop asking so many questions and keep up, said the big brothers and big sisters. Thomas arrives at the schoolyard, but there are no classrooms. There are no desks. It doesn't matter, there is a teacher. We will build our school, she says. This is the first lesson. Thomas learns to make mud bricks and dry them in the sun. He learns to build mud walls and mud desks. He gathers grass and saplings with the other children, and they make a roof. Inside it is cool. It smells of earth. It smells of the fields ready for planting. Thomas helps bring in little wooden stools. Everyone sits down. This is the moment they have been waiting for. The teacher brings in a blackboard. On it, she writes a letter. A, says the teacher. A, says Thomas with the other children. The teacher writes the letter with big strokes in the air. The students do the same over and over. Wonderful, says the teacher. She hands out notebooks and pencils. Page 1, says the teacher. Thomas opens his notebook to the first page and holds his pencil ready and waiting. Now write the letter A. Beautiful, says the teacher, as she looks at the student's work. Every day, Thomas learns something new. Every day, the teacher cheers him on and the other children on. Excellent job, she says. Perfect, my learning friends. The 9 months of the school year flew by. The last day has come. The students' minds are fat with knowledge. Their notebooks are rumpled from learning. Thomas and the other children call out, "Thank you, teacher." She smiles and says, "Well done, my hard-working friends. See you next year." Thomas and the other children race home. The school is empty and just in time. The big rains have started. The drops come down hard and fast. Strong winds tear at the grass roof. The rain finds its way inside. The school's mud walls are soaked and start to slump. The mud desks, too. Slowly, the school disappears until there's almost nothing left. It doesn't matter. The letters have been learned and the knowledge taken away by the children. Come September, school will start over. Thomas will be a big brother then, leading the children on their first day of school. They will all stand in front of their smiling teachers, ready to build their school again. Here's that map of where Chad is in the continent of Africa. Boys and girls, we'll be talking tomorrow's lesson about some of the challenges that the children in the book faced. For today's assignment, your job is to go on to RazKids and choose a book to read on RazKids and record it and send it to your teacher. Have a good day, guys.